Hi there, just wanted to share this really quick workaround, hopefully for some of you that are trying to do teaching at home. So I'm at home, I've got Microsoft Teams, which is it's basically looking at myself on my computer screen on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I've got my PDF. Now this is my PDF, you could have it a PowerPoint or a Word document, pictures, whatever you've got on the right hand side of that screen you can show. And then, you know, you can work your way through it and describe it and point to, look, follow, can I follow? Oh, follow it up, follow it up. Okay, so yeah, you can play for hours. So that's kind of how I've done it. And I've got Screencast-O-Matic, which is the recording program. It's free online. If you just go Screencast-O-Matic and you launch the free recorder, you can minimize, maximize the screen that's going to record. So I've kind of got, say 2/3 of most of my screen, 80% of my screen is in this little window, so I'm missing out the top and the bottom and anything that I don't want in the video. So actually I can't bring that in now, can I? Anyway, as you can see, there's a little bit on the right. I'd probably bring my screen in before I started recording to get rid of that. But then there's other things you can start playing around with, like for example, you could have a background effect when you're talking, because if you're at home, obviously that's no good, is it? So I could be on a beach instead of at home. So before I start recording, of course, I'm on the beach now, yay. Just got to be careful though, because if you've got objects that you're trying to demonstrate while you're going through a sheet, some of the objects might disappear if you've got a background that's, you know, it's basically a green screen, so you've got to be careful about that. But that's it really. So hopefully it will help a little bit, and I think kind of this is my idea going forward. If anyone's got a better idea that's free, obviously, please share and care, and thanks a lot. See you later.